5 British phrases that are so important for you to learn British accent. If you love British accent and want to enhance your vocabulary, give it a go. Hello everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at the perfectly right place. Today I'm going to teach you 5 British phrases that are so important for you to mesmerize your English. I mean British English. Let's get into it without wasting any time. The first one is fancy giving it a go. Fancy giving it a go. It means, would you like to try it? This is mostly used when you are encouraging your friends or your colleagues or maybe students to participate into some activity. So you can say fancy giving it a go. Try to pause this video and try to practice these phrases with me during this video by pausing it. Next one, I'm knackered. I'm knackered. It means when you are extremely tired, drained or exhausted. Like enough for the day, you're done with the day. So you can say, I'm knackered. I'm knackered. Next one, that's bang on. That's bang on means spot on. It means that's exactly right. If you want to say, yeah, that's exactly right, so you can say, that's bang on or spot on. Next one is I'm just popping out. This one is used when you are going outside for a short duration of time. For example, the students are in the class and teachers leaving the classroom, just stepping out for a few moments. So you can say, the teacher is just popping out. It means leaving out for a short duration of time, like going outside for a short duration of time. So you can say, I'm just popping out. I'm just popping out. Last one is let's crack on. Let's crack on means let's get started or continue the work. Let's crack on. Let's crack on. Now all of these 5, let's revise together. Fancy giving it a go. I'm knackered. Spot on or that's bang on. I'm just popping out. Let's crack on. I hope that you have learned something from this video. If yes, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and spread smiles and positivity. Life is too short to give a damn about a shit. So stay happy, stay blessed, stay calm, stay peaceful, and keep working on your English language. Take great care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.